Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amish here. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the negative vibrations or the energies you might be giving out to people, and how do you even realize that you are being actually that negative a person, or probably that pessimistic which you weren't ever. So yeah, you might be thinking that okay fine, why are my family members probably coming back to me and saying, listen, why are you getting so frustrated easily? Why are you showing anxiety? Why are you being so stressful? I mean, like, for what? What is happening to you? You were never this kind of a person. Or some, maybe a totally different kind of a personality. They might not speak anything to people, but they might feel in a lot of things. But always remember that even the smaller bits in life, whatever goes inside you, whatever is inside you, you will show that out to the world. And how do you may even not realize it? It's just basic that you someone probably calls you up, crashes you up that listen, what have you been doing? This is actually not done. This is such an act of cowardness and everything. You totally felt that, but you did not vent it out to him. You were like, okay, fine, let it go. I don't want to speak back to him. And I'm just like, okay, fine, let it go. But when you return back home, or even after a couple of hours and everything, you're like, okay, fine. He said probably a bit too much, which he shouldn't have originally. And now what steps can I take? Probably nothing, because you have actually given him that much of liberty to say and then impact you and your soul. So what happens now is that while you are in your thoughts, probably your mother walks up to you, or your father, or your spouse, your children, they walk up to you and they're like, listen, should we get dinner? You don't answer twice because you were in your subconscious state of mind. You never realized that someone that important is probably waiting for an answer. And when they ask irritatedly, because even when they haven't got a response from you for couple of times, probably 3 times, 4 times, they're actually back to listen. Can you answer first? It's just a small thing. You're like, okay, fine, do whatever you want to. I don't want to. I mean, I'll have something. It's okay. You show disinterestedness, but then to whom? To the people who always stick with you? To the people who've always been such an immense pillar for you? So you need to realize that what is exactly in your life that you are probably doing wrong and you're not even realizing it. They might be a very small thing, or it might be of great volume. Smaller actions even hurt people who observe them a lot. So, okay, I am one of them. I may listen people a lot and I may draw 1000 inferences from their actions. But hey, where do we stop? We need to stop where we actually realize that what is a hallucination and what are you actually going wrong with. You might be correct with probably 10 out of 100. In the rarest of cases, 80 out of 100. But listen, you need to give that much of benefit of doubt to the other person to let him explain his part. While you may be generating negative energies around you, what you are doing is just fueling your family's bad. What you may just be doing might be fueling your family's bad thoughts. And how is that? It's just by a wrong reaction to your family members. So listen up, guys. It's very simple. The people who stick with you, stick with you. The people who don't, just don't. No matter how much you run for them, they will never stick with you. So why are you getting affected by those bunch of probably couple of people, 5 of them, 10 of them, and actually spoiling the life of another 100 who are with you? Even when you might not have anyone beside you, you should always remember that you yourself are with you. And how do I say that? Is that when you are actually grounded, you're stuck to the floor, you're pinned down. That is when you need to get up and you need to show the world that why are you known as you. It might be very tough You may be like, okay, fine, he's just talking, he doesn't know what am I going through. We've all gone through things, we've all experienced things which shouldn't have ever. Or maybe we fueled for them, but we never realized them. When we realize it's actually a bit late, we're like, okay, fine. Oh, had I not done that probably 2 years back, today I wouldn't have been going through this. But it's okay, humans make mistakes. Unless you take an account of your actions, if someone is having a pretty bad day, probably your son, probably your colleague, probably your best friend, your brother, your sister, they're having a very bad day, even your father, you just walk up to them and you're like, okay, fine, just chuck it. Give them a good 5 minute talk. Listen out to them. Once they vent out everything to you, they'll be in a much better space, and you would be in a better space for your life accountabilities ahead. You would actually get to know that, okay, fine, how do I actually get to such solutions when people come up to me or when even I am in a similar situation? Always in life, you need to understand that it's actually nothing is Greek unless you make out of it, and actually something is not very tough unless you make out of it. While your families may be at peace, some relative, some friend would call you and like, oh, did you know that happened? Okay, fine. Take a breather, understand what would have been the intention of him calling you up or her calling you up. Try to understand the inner motives. And when you get to the depth of that, you will understand, oh my God, I never knew this. Okay, fine. And that is when you understand as an individual that, oh my God, so many times in life things have happened with me and I've not even been able to realize them. That why? So you need to understand for yourself that if you give up good energies to people, if you are like, okay, fine, chill, yeah, mate, don't worry, you'll do amazingly well in this presentation. I know you've had a stressful week, you've been working whole of the weekend, you've been with your family as well. You might not have spent so many hours working on it, but I know you're going to rock it. He'll be like, oh man, thanks. Yeah, I know. I'll try to keep your word. And that's what's going to matter the most. So clear out your wells, be more respectful, be more understanding to people, and try to understand what are people actually saying. It will help a lot. Thank you. Take care.